Also, I had somebody ask me for a cold start video, so here it is, and then exhaust pipe right there. As I'm touching it, you can see it's cold. One, two pumps. Reed Tampus is charging. Oil pressure comes up. As you can see, it's cold. No problems there. No smoke. No smoke out of either one of them. Both banks run clean. The old 345 is very reliable. I'm pretty sure this thing will run forever. I've driven it across country. I've towed with it. It's an absolute workhorse. There we are. We're settled back at stable charging. All right. Let me know if you guys want anything else.